Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we've got a Volkswagen Caddy running, a little 1.6 diesel, engine code C8YK. Customer complained lack of power, vehicle in limp mode, engine management light on. So we've got it to the workshop. Gonna have a look at the code. So we've got P0204 injector cylinder 4 malfunction. So yeah, cylinder 4. So the quickest way we can just check these injectors is just check the resistance. So we'll whip the plug off and we'll do a resistance check. So we're all connected into the number 4 injector, just with some jump leads I've got to the multimeter. As you can see, it's got an open circuit, so we've got no resistance. Just show the readings on the other injectors. So we just slide this on number 2 injector. You can see our reading. Just test number 1, and that should be the same as number 2 injector. So yeah, we know the rest of the injectors are reading right. Nothing wrong with them. Just a quick tip while we're here. On this engine, obviously cylinders 1, 2, 3, 4. Other manufacturers might start this end, so it'd be injector 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 2 ways we can check really, easy ways. So we could unplug the injector, do a quick scan, and hopefully we'll see that injector open circuit. So it might say injector 4 open circuit. If not, we can check the correction values. You'll have a code. This one's BBJ JKK. So what we could do is just go on to the actual values on your injectors. Look at injector 4. You can see there the code BBJ JKKO. So there's a nice easy way just to check if you're unsure. But yeah, so the fault's with injector number 4. So we'll whip that out now and we'll put a new one in. So we've got the new injector turned up now. It's the old injector, new one. We've got cylinder 3 injector out. As the clamp holds them both together, removed it, put a new seal on the bottom. Got a new bolt to go in, as a one use only, stretch bolt. So yeah, that's the old copper washer. Clean. So the injector's been refitted. So the bolts clamped down, torqued to the correct settings. As we're going to be coding the injector now, it's always important to have the battery charger on. I'm going to be using my Vagcars for this, just purely because it's nice and quick. So I've gone into Injector 4 correction value, the original code there. I've entered in my new code, so we'll go to do it now. Yep. Yep. So yep, now it's stored the new value. That's gone in fine. So what we've got to do now is just start the vehicle up and make sure the misfire's on. So the van's all up and running. What we're doing now, just to confirm the fix, we'll just do a quick code scan. Go back into engine. Go into fault codes. No fault codes found. So yeah, all that's left now is just a quick test drive. Once we're happy with the test drive, we'll ring the customer, and then yeah, it's all ready for him. Hope you've enjoyed this short video, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep updating some more videos for you.